Hello guys.
Hi guys.
So since we have passed 100,000 views on the channel, today we decided to do a little Q&A. Why? Because we feel famous. So the first question is, have you ever been recognized in public?
Oh yeah, actually once by a guy named Steven, right?
Yeah, that was about 1 week ago
Yeah,
when we went for the convention and this guy was like, oh, I know these people. That was so nice, right?
It felt good because
We
it was
felt
like
famous, right?
I finally met you in person. It was really nice.
Yeah.
It was really
It's
nice.
really nice when we meet any of our subscribers in real life. And then when those guys came from Pakistan to our university and they were like,
no, and then they were like, oh my god, aren't you from MedMinds? I used to watch you back home. I'm like, oh,
the same thing for Victor when he came through, the guy from Nigeria. And
yes,
then
he
the
was
other
like,
girl-
oh, I used to watch you like before I entered here when I wanted to get admitted.
Yeah, so I've been recognized multiple times in public. So the second question is, have you made any money from the channel? Yes. But not through the partnership program.
No.
We made $100, I believe that was about 1 month ago
Yeah.
when we referred the students for
1 or
admission.
2 months ago.
Yes,
yeah,
and then
2
they
months ago.
paid directly to
That money was
MedMinds.
a blessing. I'm not going to lie. Just
Alright.
came through.
Describe the author in one word. I'm curious
you
to know.
start. You start.
No, you start.
No, you start. Resourceful.
Excited. What are you gonna do about the channel after graduation?
Honestly, we've gotten this question a lot of times. Like everybody that I've come across, they always ask after this place, what next? But the plan is, but we have to be serious with it though. We have to make a joint account so that we can shoot from different places.
Wait, what do you mean by joint account? Do you mean where the money is gonna go? Where did this thing?
No, like I mean like joint email account now that we can put in.
Because my money is my money. The one that comes from the channel is
Excuse
our
me,
money.
We are co-partners.
No, I am talking about my personal money.
Oh, of course. Now that's your account. Now.
When it comes to YouTube, we'll talk about that, but not my money. Amarachi.
Yes.
It's alright. So after we graduate from here, we're going to be making a co-account on YouTube
Yeah.
where we're going to be uploading videos from wherever we are, and from time to time, maybe twice or thrice a year, we can fly in together and make a video too. If she's not married and the husband doesn't stop her from coming anyway.
Okay.
Who loves the channel more?
I won't like
Me.
this guy. He's the most passionate person about
Oh.
YouTube I've ever seen.
Wow.
and
I thought she was gonna say her.
No,
Because
me, no.
all right. I'm gonna take that. I love the channel. So, and again, have you ever been recognized in public? Yes. We just wanted to say this question because we're now famous, right? 100,000 views. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for watching our channel up to 100,000 times.
We appreciate it.
It's not been easy. Who is more emotional? Wait, why don't you point yourself? We all know.
Please, emotion is relative.
Who is smarter? Me.
Let's just leave it at
Why am I seeing
Next
your this thing?
question, please.
Who has more content ideas? The good ones.
I'll give him that one. Sometimes he can actually be very creative.
Who has more content ideas? The bad ones. Still
Actually,
me. Okay. Not everything we do works out. So who is more likely to be a celebrity? It's actually Amarachi because she can dance and she can also sing and people actually like her. For example, in our hostel, we have a WhatsApp group for people that actually love Amarachi and want to date Amarachi. All right, better cook. Me.
See,
Me.
let
You
me
know,
tell
you
something.
have to give me
You
this.
have not tasted my proper.
We have tasted your food. See, listen. The first time we ate Amarachi's food was burnt meat pies.
let me tell you something.
Amarachi can't cook. Amarachi can't cook. Who is more economical when shopping? Me. I don't like spending money because I have a lot of it. Who cares more about the subscribers? Me. Okay, we both care about our subscribers.
both care. Like,
Exactly.
of course.
Who talks more? Maybe probably me.
Yeah, it's him actually.
Sometimes.
No, all the time. I'm really talkative.
That is not bad. That is what I have been trying. Just because I communicate my ideas in a better way that make more people listen to me,
it's not like
does
that.
not mean I'm talkative.
Okay. Next.
You might be talking and people will not want to listen to you. There's a reason why they don't allow you to talk.
Alright.
But people love listening to me sometimes. Only.
Point exactly.
But who is in a relationship? Alright, so guys, I am in a relationship with you guys, my subscribers. Maybe they're asking about romantic relationships, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I am in a relationship, guys.
I am very much single.
She is single as a Pringle. Because no one likes her. Okay, I'm joking. So, do you think the other is cute? Nope.
Doesn't enter my head.
Amarachi is the most unattractive girl I know.
sorry.
So, what do you like about each other physically? I think I love Amarachi's nose. It's so big. Amarachi has big nose. When I call Amarachi for a video call, that's the first thing I see. When I see Amarachi's big nose, even at night, I'm like, oh yeah, that is Amarachi actually coming there. That is the first thing I see when I see Amarachi coming from far. When I see the nose, I'm like, yes, that is definitely Amarachi.
looking at this. Okay, him. I think it would be his receding hairline. Wow.
Jesus Christ.
It's amazing.
No, don't do that
Like,
to me.
it's just,
you
yeah.
know,
that has to be his best picture.
Please. My receding hairline is a sign that I'm going under stress,
Yeah.
and I'm smart,
Oh.
and I am matured, and I have a lot of testosterone, more than the people around me.
Amazing.
So that is why my hair is receding.
Okay.
But your big nose, you have always had it.
My nose is not that big. People just think
Guys, please, doesn't this guy have the biggest nose you have seen in your life? All right. Okay. So that is it for today's session. Please send more questions you want us to answer. We only decided to do a Q&A because we're just coming back from a convention.
Yeah.
And
we've not shot for a while.
exactly. So we
let's
were like,
post
okay,
something.
let's post this because we have 1,000 views, and soon we're going to be having 2,000 subscribers. So please make that a reality for us. Subscribe to the channel so that we can have 1,000 more subscribers. So 2,000, right?
Yeah, 2,000.
2,000 subscribers.
Even 1,000 more, that would help.
Yeah, thanks a lot